The following segment is sponsored by Harmon's Grocery. Spice up your next meal with Cincinnati-style chili. Chef Aaron with Harmon's is here to show us how to make it. Thank you so much for being here with us, Chef. So what ingredients do we need to make this tasty dish?
It's pretty easy. The first thing that you're going to need is some ground beef, some onion.
Got it.
And then from there, it just goes crazy. So,
oh, we're going crazy. Yes, all right, here we go.
Cincinnati-style chili is different from regular chili. It's a little bit more of like a Mediterranean sort of flavor.
Ooh,
so we've got some garlic.
All right, put the garlic in there.
A little sticky there. We've got some chili powder now. I use some chipotle chili powder.
Of course.
Right. And we've got some allspice.
Yummy. It smells so good.
Cinnamon.
Ooh, cinnamon. Okay.
Nutmeg.
We are going crazy.
Yes,
all
we are
the
going
spices.
Crazy. Some chili pepper. Now you can leave the chili pepper out if you're going to feed these to your kids. It's
okay,
a little
so
bit
if you don't want
spicy.
spice,
right.
Omit the chili pepper.
Little brown sugar.
Oh, give it a little bit of a sweet taste.
Right, some salt and pepper, and then
perfect.
Some people add it, some people don't, but I like to add a little bit of unsweetened cocoa powder.
Ooh,
right.
that gives it. That give it like a rich flavor?
Yeah, kind of a deep, savory flavor to it.
I'm trying to act like I know that I'm a chef, but I'm not.
Do you cook?
Nope.
Oh.
That's why I'm just trying to guess what the flavors are for.
No worries. So we add those, and we're just going to bring that to a simmer. We're going to let all those spices mix in with the meat and the onions.
So yummy. And we always talk about this. I wish everyone at home could smell what I'm smelling, because all those spices together, oh, it smells so delicious.
It's really, really good.
So what's our next step?
We're going to add some tomato sauce.
Perfect.
And then we're going to give it just a dash of soy so that we can add some umami.
Ooh,
right?
Yummy.
That's a little more than a dash, but
it's okay. It's fine. It will taste great.
Some apple cider vinegar, and then we're just gonna mix it all together.
Oh, looks
and this
so good.
comes together so quick. So you really want it a little soupier than most chili. And in Cincinnati, they don't serve it in a bowl. In fact, if you ask somebody from Cincinnati, what's Cincinnati-style chili? They're like, it's not really chili. It's more of a sauce, so it's kind of a Mediterranean sauce.
All right, so keep it soupy.
Keep it soupy, and then the traditional way to serve it in Cincinnati is either on a coney, so on a dog, or on noodles.
Perfect.
So,
anytime noodles are involved, I am there. I'm a happy girl.
And we are using our Harmon's fresh pasta. We have at some of our locations, and so we've cooked some of that up.
There's the finished dish.
Chili on, and then we put some cheese on. Now that's called a Cincinnati three-way chili. When they originally started serving this, they came up with this idea of calling it ways. So the first way is just Cincinnati chili, Cincinnati one way. So you just do the chili. A two-way is chili with noodles, a three-way is chili with noodles and cheese. And this was the dish that I grew up on. My mom made it all the time.
Yeah, so fun.
Super delicious.
So really quick, before we run out of time, you're gonna do this. It's gonna keep it a little soupy.
Yep.
Cook the noodles.
And then just top it off.
And then top it off. Oh, this looks so yummy. Chef Aaron, thank you so much for being here with us today. Where can we go for more information?
Harmons.com.
Love it. Okay, I can't wait to eat this. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.